In this tutorial, I will show you blend tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. So demonstrate this tool, I am drawing two line here. So this is an line. I am making it 1 point stroke. So I am copying this, holding down Alt from the keyboard and from the properties panel, change it direction. So I am selecting this tool and you can see here is the blend option. This is blend tool. Blend tool shortcut is W, which is morph shapes and colors. It also morphs shapes and colors between two or more objects. So if you double click here, you can find this specific few options here. First of all, smooth color, specified steps and specified distance. So it will blend color, it will steps and it will as per distance. Also here is you can see it will be aligned to page or aligned to path. You can use any of them. So I am now selecting specified space and make it 200 and click it. So after that, blend tool, you can click here and click here. You can see now it is blending. Also you can hold down Ctrl plus Alt plus B to blend it. You can see 200 specified steps. It's looking this. After that, if you select direct selection tool and you can click here and you can change the shape of it. You can see I am also change this shape. Also you can access pen tool, and when it is show the anchor point, you need to click here and you can make this type of shape. You can see this type of unique shape you can make using pen tool. So that is an option. You can also I am drawing line. I would like to show you with this tool, ellipse tool. So I am clicking here and pressing and creating a shape here. I am holding down, I am making a stroke and turned off stroke, and it's making its greenish color. Also I am holding down Alt and making a duplicate and then pressing Ctrl plus D from keyboard. So after that I am making it object. This is blend option. You can see this is blend option, specified space 200. Okay, Ctrl Alt B and it is now and blending. So I would like to show you, I am holding down P from keyboard to access pen tool, and I am making an word like it, and you can see I am accessing direct selection tool and making it curvature, also making it corner point to curvy point, and also I can. So I hope you can adjust this. I can also go for here path and make it simplify to it's simply simplified or smooth the shape. So for this tutorial I am pressing this and making this. curve. So I am using this. So now I am selecting it and clicking this shape. And now when I will go to blend option, you can see here is more option: replace spine, reverse spine, and reverse front to back. It will replace this spine with these blend objects, and reverse spine, which was start, this will be end, and end was the start. And also reverse front and back, which was front, this will be now back, and which was back, which shape was back, this will be front. So now I am choosing replace spine option, and you can see this shape now gone to this shape. This is called replace spine. So you can shape, you can create very attractive shapes using this replace spine options. Also you can, here is blending option, I have already demonstrated. You can release it, that means this will be released. So you can see now it is the dot, no blending will be visible. But if you click here and expand these options, it will expand the appearance of the shape or blending shape. Now you can, if you would like, you can separate this. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like it, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.